Nigerian Genius.
Team Echelon from Nnamdi Azikiwe University, and today is day 3 of the Nigerian Genius Competition. So today we started off with working on the project, working on the challenge for this year competition, which is to design and develop an electricity generator using either hydropower or wind power. So we have started brainstorming and started our designs and analysis and calculations. So after the session of brainstorming, a time was given, then the next was a training using laser technology. So we were taught briefly on the software that is used with the laser machine for laser cutting or engraving. We were given basic introduction on using the software. For example, LightBurn. We were briefly introduced to the software used in conjunction with the laser machine for engraving or cutting, which is LightBurn software. So we were able to convert or export our files for engraving and cutting process.
So for today's brain teaser exercise, we're given materials just like the other day. We're given an egg, a packet of straw, a masking tape, and a super glue, as well as a rubber band, or some rubber bands. So the task was to design a container so that when the egg is placed inside and then thrown from a height, the container is made to protect the egg and prevent it from breaking or even cracking. So we given 20 minutes for the task, and later on we were given an extension of extra 10 minutes to complete our task. So when the time was up, the judges came up to assess and also to analyze what we have done. So they checked by throwing the container with the egg inside at different heights. They started with 5 feet, then 7 feet, and then they have to extend just so as to see how strong or how durable it is.
So that's how we have this.
Wait, calm down. So after several analyses, after several ways on trying to make the egg break, we came out with second position today for this brain teaser exercise. Do you know how many points?
It's used on our mind.
Okay. So that was how today's brain teaser was for us, and yeah, I like the fact that the judges considered so many things. They considered materials, the cost of materials. They considered the design, that's the aesthetics. They also considered like how protective it is. So with all those analysis and all those calculations that they did from their end, came out second position. Okay, after the brain teaser exercise, the next thing we did was we had a mentoring class. So we spoke one-on-one with the directors and the director and the CEO. So we were able to confide in them, tell them our challenges we are facing on the projects given to us, and also seek advice and seek advice from them on how to go forward, on what to do and what not to do. So the mentoring class was very, very helpful. So because we got a lot of our questions answered. So many things that we find difficult to be able to get a clear idea and a clear vision about it. So with this with the mentorship class, at least it has given us like a better focus on what we are working on. So okay, to our fans, we really appreciate Syria. We see what you're doing because they had to check the votes today. So we see what you're doing out there, and we thank you. We are really grateful for your help. We are really grateful for your support, like, comment, share, and all of that. So we say that we only ask that you continue to do that, that you don't back down at this point. I mean, we have gone too far for us to go back. So just keep on supporting, we keep on doing our best to get from our own end. Then to CIC, I thank CIC as a whole. Thank you for what you are doing. Thank you for the experience. Thank you for the opportunity, the platform you are giving us to not just participate, but also to learn new things, to train, and also to use equipment that some of us don't even know about before, don't even know how to operate before. So thank you so much.
The Nigerian Genius.